I was reading your book, which is right here, Building Second Brain. And I just had this like unlock. I was like, oh, it's not about the tool. It's about the system that unlocks your creative potential. So can you talk about that insight and sort of like when you discovered that and how that felt as a creator?
The earliest moment that I realized that or started to see it, like with so many of my principles and things that I teach, started with my dad.
Mm-hmm.
And my dad is the most prolific artist I have ever seen. He has produced probably 10,000 paintings. Like he has spent his entire life since he says he became an artist at 3 years old. And now he's 72. So he spent almost 7 decades creating art. And it's funny because my dad, he was so not precious about his tooling.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the canvases he would get, he'd go to like some artist supply store, just get the cheapest canvas. He could have justified, oh no, I need a special canvas. His paintbrushes were the most basic. He would use paint that wasn't even like artistic paint. It was like house paint. And so I just could see very clearly that there was no relationship between the sophistication of the tools and the materials and the sophistication of what you could create with them. It was so clear. And so I think I took that attitude to technology where, there's no way that the best writers in the world are using the latest, most advanced writing technology. No, in fact, they tend to use the oldest stuff. When it comes to artistry, to creativity, there are certain fields where the sophisticated technology matters. If you're like a particle physicist, you probably need, the most advanced, particle collider. But with creativity, no. You just need your own system, your own habits, your own principles.